Hey everyone, in this guide, I'll show you how to access Dola AI on your PC in 2026, step by step. So you can start using your AI assistant smoothly from your computer. First, turn on your PC and open your preferred web browser, like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. In the address bar, type the official Dola AI website and press enter. Make sure you're visiting the correct and secure site before entering any login details. Once the homepage loads, look for the Login or Get Started button. It's usually located in the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the login screen. Now enter the email address you used to create your Dola AI account. Then type your password carefully. Double-check for typing errors, especially capital letters or extra spaces. After entering your details, click the Login button. If your information is correct, you'll be redirected to your Dola AI dashboard. From there, you can access your assistant, manage tasks, check reminders, or adjust settings directly from your PC. If you don't have an account yet, click on Sign Up instead and create one before logging in. And if you forgot your password, use the Forgot Password option to reset it through your email. For quicker access in the future, you can bookmark the Dola AI website in your browser so you can open it with just one click. And yeah, that's it. Accessing Dola AI on your PC in 2026 is simple once you follow these steps. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful guides.